Hello friends, welcome to Civil Tech Constructions. In this video I will tell you all material costs and labor charges, and here you can see the from bottom JCB charge. JCB charge per 1 hour cost is 700 to 1500 variable from the cities, and here you can see the aggregates. Aggregates is 40 aggregate, one cost of 1 ton is 500 to 700, and next one is 20 aggregate. 20 aggregate for footing column and slab. 1 ton is 500 to 700 variable from cities. And here you can see the two types of sand, river sand and robo sand. River sand is the cost of 1 ton 1800 to 2500 with metro cities also, and including robo sand cost 1 ton is 800 to 1300 rupees. And here you can see the two types of cements, OPC and PPC. Difference of the cost is OPC PPC 10 to 15 rupees, and the ordinary Portland cement is 300 to 350 cost variation with cities. And PPC, this is also 300 to 350 rupees. PPC and OPC difference 15 rupees at least. And iron 110 is 40,000 to 50,000. 1 kg it's 40 to 50 rupees. And next, three types of bricks is available. One is red brick, and second one is ACC blocks, lightweight bricks, and third one is fly ash cement bricks. These are the three types of bricks. And the cost, red bricks cost each one brick it's 5 to 10 rupees variation from cities, metro cities also. And here you can see the AAC blocks, lightweight bricks, sizes is different, so from minimum is 45 rupees to 150 highest. And fly ash based bricks also, and cement bricks also, they are called as the cost of this fly ash bricks is 10 to 15 rupees each one. And next one, size rock, that is different, and basement size rock it's 10 to 15 rupees each one. And next, labor cost. The labor cost is skilled labor and unskilled labor, two is there. Skilled labor per 1 day 700 to 1000 rupees, unskilled labor or helper 1 day 500 to 700, and they are taking a square feet if 350 to 500 per square feet. That is a labor cost. And water tank with the shuttering plus labor charge is 2000 to 3000. And tiles laying charge, it's for square feet 20 to 30 rupees. And marble laying square feet for 40 to 60 rupees for variation with cities. Here you can see the examples of tiles laying, foundation, wall and floor. For wall square feet 30 rupees, floor it's 22 rupees. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Civil Tech Constructions.